Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my fine jewelry with you guys. These are all designer pieces. And I'm not going to share my 22 karat gold jewelry, Indian gold jewelry in this video because I have a dedicated video for my Indian gold jewelry. So if you want to check that video, I'm going to link that in the description box, or you can just check my playlist, my jewelry collection, I think. Yeah, jewelry collection playlist. You can find that video right there. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. So I have all of them right here in this plate, and also I have these 4 items which are non-branded, by the way. These are gold, so I'm going to share these as well because they are technically fine jewelry. Yeah, so I'm going to start with the tray. I have only one piece from Cartier. So I have the Love wedding band in 18 karat gold, yellow gold. Next I have a ring from Tiffany and Co. This is the piece I have, which is Tiffany T diamond wire ring in 18 karat yellow gold, and I have I think I have 12 diamonds, tiny diamonds, which are I think 0.17 carat. Next I'm going to show you is this piece. This is from Dove eggs. This I got as a present from the brand, and I have a dedicated video for this as well. If you want to check that, you can check my, I'm going to link it, you don't have to search. So this is the item I have. This is the one. So this is a moissanite necklace in 14 karat yellow gold, white gold, and this stone is 1 carat. And I don't think you can see it on my t-shirt because it's high neck. Let me try it so that you guys can see how it looks. So this is 14 karat white gold, and this stone is moissanite. So this is how it looks. It's perfect size, just a carat, and perfect length. If you like to try moissanite, then check my video. I have a detailed video for this necklace and about moissanite and what are the difference between moissanite and diamond. Yeah, so check that video if you want to know more about moissanite. This is the box, and they came in this pouch. Actually these items, these 2 items, they came separately. They came as a single piece, but I wear them together. So these are the earrings, which are again 18 karat gold, yellow gold, and this is a hashtag, and this is EXO earrings. And I have again unboxing for these as well. You can check my Tiffany & Co unboxing. Next I'm going to show you this one. This is a necklace, and this is the Elsa Peretti, yeah, I think Elsa Peretti bean necklace in yellow gold, 18 karat yellow gold, and I think this was 9 mm if I'm not wrong. And if you want to check the unboxing for this necklace, then check my playlist for Tiffany & Co unboxing. the last piece I have from Tiffany & Co. comes in this box, and this you guys have seen multiple times because I wear this all the time. And this is my diamond engagement ring, 18 karat yellow gold, and the diamond is 0.59 carat, edge color, VS1 clarity, and the cut is excellent. And if you are curious and if you want to compare your finger size with the diamond, my finger size, ring finger size is 5 3/4. Many of you are asking about my finger size to compare the diamond, so there you go, it's 5 3/4. Now I'm going to show you my Van Cleef and Arpels pieces. I have 3 items. This is the first one. I have no idea what is inside. Here is the packaging. So this is the vintage Alhambra mother of pearl, white mother of pearl in 18 karat yellow gold. This is the next one. And this is the ring, which is pearly ring, pearly, P-E-R-L-E-E, in the size smallest, the smallest one or the thinnest one, 18 karat gold, yellow gold. And here is the last one from Van Cleef and Arpels. This is the sweet Alhambra butterfly necklace in yellow gold and white mother of pearl. So here is the size difference. And I'm going to do a comparison video between these two necklaces. And now I'm going to share my non-branded fine jewelry. I have these earrings, which are 18 karat yellow gold earrings with diamonds. Very tiny. I don't know how many of them there. And here is the back, which is gold as well. And then I have this pendant, which is in white gold, 14 karat, and white diamond, and also champagne diamond. These are all champagne diamonds in the middle and white diamonds on the side. I don't think you can see. Just like this. And then I have this ring, which is in 14 karat gold, white gold, and again small diamonds. And this is a bypass ring, you can see, and these are white diamonds and these are yellow diamonds. And the last but not the least is this ring. Again, this is, I think, 14 karat gold, white gold, and you can see the diamonds on the outer ring, and that is a pearl. I love this ring. This is how it looks. So that is it for my fine jewelry collection. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.